They fly, deliver packages, and even save lives. No, not superheroes drones. Let's explore how these flying robots are changing everything, from war zones to your front door. What are drones? Drones are small flying machines. Some look like tiny helicopters. They're controlled by a remote or even fly on their own. Drones started in the military, but now anyone can use one. They're used in farming, movies, delivery, and more. In Africa, drones deliver medicine to places with no roads. In wildfires, drones find people trapped by flames. In Japan, drones help with search and rescue during earthquakes. They can fly fast, see from above, and go places humans can't. Here are some surprising uses. In Dubai, they're testing drone taxis. In Canada, drones plant trees 10 times faster than humans. In the military, tiny drones the size of bugs are used for spying. Drones help filmmakers capture amazing sky shots in movies. Recently, many countries use thousands of drones to create light shows to replace fireworks. In the future, drones might bring your pizza, patrol your neighborhood, or even be used in sports and farming. Some people worry about privacy and safety, but if used right, drones could make life easier and safer. So next time you look up and see a small flying machine, remember, that little drone might be saving a life or planting a forest. Drones are here to stay, and the sky is the limit. Subscribe to Quickapedia for more cool tech and science facts.